Hello friends, how are you? I am feeling very happy today. Do you know how to create a Facebook account, a new Facebook account or new profile? Today I have decided to discuss creation of a new Facebook account thoroughly, step by step, using your mobile so that you can create a Facebook profile or Facebook page very easily. So let us start. Today we will show how to start a new Facebook account. For that you have to go to your Play Store app. Then you have to search for Facebook app. Here, as I have already installed this Facebook app, so it is showing open. Then you have to, after installing this Facebook app in your phone, you have to, then you will see like this, just like this. After that you have to click on open button. Then again a page like this will come and you will get a the bottom of the page, create new account, like this, create new account. Then after clicking on create new account, you will be redirected to a page. Let us see. Again, after that, a page, join Facebook, a new page is opened. There we will get a blue color button, that is get started. Then we will click on this. When we will click on that link, a new page, what is your name, a new page has come. We have to fill up the name, first name and last name. Like, just for example, I am giving Tutul, 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 and last name is Datta, Tutul Datta. Okay, then click on next button. When we will click on next button, then we will get what is your birthday. We have to set as per your birthday, like 15 September, like this, 15 September 2000, whatever it may be, like this. We have to set our birthday. We are going to set this one, suppose 15 September 2003 is his birthday. So now click on set. Okay, then we have to click on next button. When we will click on next button, there will be another page. What is your gender? You have to select female or male. Suppose we have chosen the male option, then we will click next. When we will click next, again there will be a new page. What is your mobile number? or there will be another option in the bottom of this page, that is sign up with email. We can go with your email ID or your phone number, that is your choice. Now we will click on sign up with email. Then a email box, what is your email? We will get a email, a text box where we can put our email ID, which is already we have created, like tool like actually we have already created the email ID, tool SCKOL 1 2 3, like this. After that we will click next. When then we will get another page, that is create a password. Now we have to give a password as per our choice. So just I am putting a password like this, so that we can go to the next step. After that we will click on next button. Then a new page will come, save your login info. Then we will click on save button. Then we will click on save button. When we will click on save button, another page we have to agree for that as per Facebook's terms and conditions. Then we'll click on I agree button. When we will click on I agree button, then our new account is going to create. Just wait. Now a new Facebook account has been created. So you can see this is a new page. This is a new page which is opened in front of us. So now you have to click on top left hand side of there is a icon, or you can tell it a profile icon like this. So we have to tap on that. Now there is a new page is opened, that is continue setting up your profile. Now we have to click on get started. Now add your profile photo. There is a space for adding a profile photo. So when you click on this, a circle like this, and there is a icon like a camera. So you have to click on that to set a profile photo. Just clicking on it, it will be redirected to our gallery. Suppose there is a lot of images. You can choose whatever you can use. Just I am choosing this one. Just for example, it will go to your it will be set as your profile picture. Now we will click on save button, which is top right corner. of this page. Then this picture has come as a profile photo. Then we will click on next button. So there will be a new page where we have to select your location, like Kolkata or whatever it is as per your city, like Odisha, 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 or whatever it is. I am just giving you the Kolkata. Kolkata. Just choose this one. It will be selected over there. Now we will click the save button. When we will click the save button, it will be saved. Then add your hometown. There will be option add your hometown. You can write it as a Kolkata. Again you put that name, the name of the city, and again you save. You save. Now there will be a lot of informations. You can skip or you can fill these steps one after another. Just I am skipping this time. There is a college, again I skip. There is a company, I skip, and like this. Now there is a another option, that is your cover photo. Actually it is very important for your for this profile. So you have to choose a profile photo, and similarly you have to click on this camera icon, and then you will be redirected to your gallery. From there you can choose a image like this. So it will be set as your profile cover photo. Okay, then we will click on the save button, which is right hand top corner of this page. Just clicking on the save button, then this photo will be set as a cover photo of your profile. Now there will be a lot of things like bio, habits, and your music. You can fill it afterwards. So just right now we are just skipping this one. There will be a skip button just at the bottom of this page. Just clicking on that skip button. So almost here it is showing you are all done. Just we have almost completed our information, and so there is a view your profile button just at the bottom of this page. Just we are clicking on that view your profile. Now this profile is almost ready. So this is our suggestion that this is almost completed. We have completed this profile, but all informations you have to put in your profile page, profile in this profile, so that it will be well informed to the viewers or to the followers of the Facebook. So it is your duty to complete all the settings, all the informations in this profile. Okay, then it is almost okay, and the profile name is Tutul Datto, as we have done, and after that we have to complete the remaining portion, the remaining informations to complete this profile. Today we have just completed this portion.
I hope you have enjoyed this video session very much, and I will request you to subscribe our channel, that is Sukanta Tech Adda, so that you can get all our informations in time. Thank you.